All right, so here we have it, folks. After this morning's hearing, Judge has put out the actual scheduling order, and I have highlighted the important dates. I think I did accidentally miss one, though, and that's the change of venue hearing, but the trial is scheduled to begin on June 2nd, 2025 at 8:30 a.m., and it will run through August 29th, 2025 on an 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. schedule basis. Now, the change of venue hearing is set for August 29th, 2024. The final pretrial conference will be held on April 3rd, 2025. Now, this next section talks about the motions. Any motions to challenge the death penalty need to be filed before September 5th, 2024. Responses filed on or before October 10th, and any replies are due by October 24th, 2024. A hearing on a death penalty motion shall be held on November 7th, 2024 at 10 a.m. Motions to suppress evidence and any other 12B motions shall be filed no later than November 14th. Responses shall be filed by December 19th, and any replies shall be filed by January 10th, 2025. A hearing on those motions shall be held on February 6th, 2025 at 10 a.m. and may continue into February 7th. Motions in limine, including any 404B notices, shall be filed by February 13th, 2025. Any responses will be due by March 13th, and any replies shall be filed by March 20th, 2025. A hearing on the motion shall be held on March 27th, 2025 at 10 a.m. and may continue into March 28th if needed. Here's the big one for discovery. The state's discovery deadline is September 6, 2024. The defense's discovery deadline is January 9th, 2025. Those dates have been set for a few months now. Now we have deadlines for disclosure of trial experts. So the list of experts that the state intends to use needs to be turned over to the defense and the court by December 4th, 2024. The defense experts need to be turned over to the state and the court by January 2025. Any rebuttal experts for either side need to be disclosed by January 30th, 2025. Trial materials, so proposed jury questionnaires, shall be provided to the court by February 7th, 2025. Responses must be filed by March 7th, 2025. And a hearing on the jury questionnaires, which will be sealed, it will be a closed hearing, will be held on April 2nd, 2025. Proposed jury instruction shall be filed with the court by March 14th, 2025. Lay trial witness list shall be filed by March 14th. Exhibit lists with attached copies of exhibits shall be filed by March 14th also. And this section just goes on to talk about what's needed on the exhibits. And then it says each party shall provide the court with a trial brief which shall be filed on or before March 14th. So March 14th is a pretty big date for a lot of the deadlines pre-trial. Sentencing disclosures. This is going to be any witnesses or experts or exhibits for why the state is pursuing the death penalty. So the aggravated circumstances needs to be provided to the defense and the court by January 9th, 2025. On the other side, the defense's mitigation disclosures, including the list of witnesses, exhibits, etc., need to be provided by March 3rd of 2025. And any witnesses or experts or exhibits that the state intends to present in rebuttal shall be provided to the defense in the court by March 31st, 2025. And then down below, it just says filings after deadline. The court reserves the right to hear any motions filed after deadline has passed if good cause is shown, including but not limited to motions that arise after a disclosure is made by the opposing party. So this schedule is hopefully the one that things are going to stick to from now until June of 2025. Obviously, some surprises could come up, but I expect now that we have some hard dates that we will finally see all of the discovery turned over, that the FBI, now that there is a trial date, will finally turn over that final copy of the cast report, and we will be headed to that June trial start.